What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a revolution in how computing power is delivered to business. It's been made possible by very large-scale data centres connected to high-speed, low-cost broadband networks. Today's users require 24/7 secure access to more business apps, on more devices, wherever they are. Demands on IT are skyrocketing. It's no wonder traditional on-site computer facilities are struggling to keep up. With cloud computing, you only pay for what you use. Gone are the traditional IT bottlenecks, which means no more waiting. Gone are computer rooms full of servers and data storage, firewalls and routers along with the team to support it. Gone is the need to constantly invest in upgrades and rebuilds. Instead, by plugging your blue cable into the wall, you access exactly what your business needs, including all the support and expertise paid for as a service. History reveals a similar shift happened in the way business used power at the turn of the century. In the late 1890s, every factory or business had in its basement a smoke-belching, fuel-consuming power generator, stoked by grey boiler-suited men, who serviced it and kept it running as best they could. When things worked, they worked nicely. But when they didn't, which was quite often, the machines ground to a halt, the lights went out, and nothing got done. Chicago 1900. The Edison Power Company developed the turbine power station, which could generate and distribute large-scale power to business. This provided cheaper, more reliable and cleaner power than any factory or business-based generator, without many of the headaches. By 1920, most businesses had made the switch. Business now accessed power simply by plugging into the wall. In-house power generation no longer made sense. Today, we take virtually unlimited power for granted. We can't imagine it any other way. As we speak, a similar revolution is happening in IT, called cloud computing. Business no longer has to buy, build, and manage costly computer facilities on site. Just as business learned that power provided by a specialised power company improved reliability and quality, cloud computing has proven to be more secure, more reliable, more scalable, and ultimately more affordable than traditional on-site IT. This is why most new online and business apps are now deployed in the cloud. Just like electricity 100 years ago, a business can now access all the cloud computing infrastructure it requires as a service for all its users, wherever they are, on whatever device they use. This is called Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS for short. Your applications remain the same, but running on more reliable cloud infrastructure. This is where most businesses will start to use cloud. Apps will be migrated as existing in-house infrastructure reaches the end of its life. IaaS is the power station at the core of all cloud models. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, builds on the power of IaaS as a platform to make it easier to collaborate and develop software. SaaS, or Software as a Service, is the icing on the cake. Fully serviced software running on fully serviced infrastructure. Gone are upfront investments for new business application packages. So, cloud can be all three models with IaaS at the core.